According to science, the fundamental particles are atoms. These particles are divided into subatoms. But deeper down, deeper than atoms, there are particles like quarks, leptons, and bosons. There are 16 fields in the universe that create you, me, and everything. 12 fields for matter, and 4 fields of forces of nature like electromagnetic forces, weak nuclear forces, strong nuclear forces, and gravity. Vibration in these fields is what we call as matter. We imagine this disturbance in field as a point to make it easier to study and perform mathematical calculations. Now, all of these fields are studied differently, and connecting the dots between them becomes complex and complex as calculations extend. So scientists tried to create a theory of everything. When they studied the fundamentals of particles and all the forces of nature, they found that there can be one thing that can relate all of them, and that was vibrating strings. Just like the strings of a violin, when you vibrate them differently in different order, they produce different notes. You can create different melodies and music, combining the pattern of these notes. Just like that, these quantum strings, when vibrate differently with different frequencies, produce all the different particles. These vibrating strings do not exist in 3 dimensions, not in 4, 5, 6, even 7 or 8. These exist in proper 11 dimensions, 10 dimensions of space, and 1 time dimension. It is not new for us to theorize things in higher dimensions. The smaller you get, the more dimensions you observe. So it might be actually true that there are 11 dimensions holding these strings that create our reality, but they are too small for us to observe. The fluctuation in fields of these dimensions cause the change in frequency of these strings, which in turn results in different particles. The string theory fits all the calculations of physics. It just can't explain gravity out of 16 fields of reality. This holds it back from being the theory of everything. Applying Einstein's equations in extremely microscopic level is not possible in today's world. When scientists tried to fit gravitons inside this theory, the concept collapsed, and the calculations went round the way. It might not be the next theory of everything, but it might lead us to the path where we achieve the theory of everything. But remember, folks, every ending is a new beginning. So stay tuned.